The L5 error code on a treadmill indicates a problem with the machine's speed sensor. Specifically that it is not registering a signal. Common causes of this error include a misaligned speed sensor or a defective speed sensor. To fix the L5 error, the speed sensor should be realigned. This involves turning off the machine, removing the outer casing, and locating the magnetic speed sensor near the belt's wheel. If the sensor is not 0.75 mm from the wheel's metal disc, it is too far and may need to be realigned by a professional. Alternatively, the speed sensor can be tested by unplugging the treadmill, removing the motor shroud, and plugging the machine back in. The motor control board, located in the front unit, should then be checked. If an orange light flickers when the flywheel is rotated, the speed sensor is working. But if no light appears, the sensor is likely damaged and needs to be replaced.